Hello again, welcome back to our Thai cooking channel. In this episode, we will show you how to cook shrimp fried rice in Thai style. I hope you are craving for Thai food. So let's head to our kitchen and get started, shall we? You'll need 2 tablespoons of rice bran oil, 2 tablespoons of chopped garlic, 300 grams of shrimps, 3 fresh eggs, 500 grams of steamed rice, 100 grams of diced onion, 100 grams of diced tomato, 2 tablespoons of mushroom-flavored soy sauce, 2 tablespoons of oyster sauce, 1.5 tablespoons of sugar, half a teaspoon of ground black pepper, 50 grams of spring onions. These ingredients are perfect for 2 to 3 servings. Now, let us begin cooking our shrimp fried rice. First, set your pan to medium heat. Then, pour the cooking oil into the pan. Once the oil heats up, add the chopped garlic. Sauté the garlic until it turns light brown. Then, add the fresh shrimps. Sauté the shrimps with the chopped garlic until the shrimps are nearly cooked. Add the fresh eggs on one side of the pan. Stir them slowly. Add the steamed rice. We recommend using refrigerated rice to keep our fried rice from becoming too soggy and mushy. Then, stir-fry everything together for about a minute. While stir-frying, use your spatula to press your rice against the bottom of the pan to make sure your rice does not stick together. Add the diced onion. And the diced tomato. Stir-fry everything together for about 30 seconds. Then, add mushroom-flavored soy sauce, oyster sauce, and sugar, but if you don't like a sweet taste, you can leave it out. Keep stir-frying for another minute. Then, add ground black pepper and spring onions. Stir-fry everything together for one last time, and your shrimp fried rice is ready to be served. We hope you enjoy watching this video on shrimp fried rice. Please subscribe to our channel for many more delicious Thai dishes to come. Thank you for watching our Thai cooking channel, Thai food made simple.